ay dapat gusto na ko 101% para welcome gid kaayo ang ato ang school year 2026-2027 again. Few flabos ni Kalbong. Hop, hop. Kaya. Stop. Kalma lang. Stop. Oo. Ganyan. Stop. Lingkod tanan. Lingkod. Teachers. Huwag mo nato sa room. Lingkod, kalma. Lingkod. In Jesus name. Keep quiet.
Oh my God, grabe ka kusog!
Just pray.
Oh my God!
In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.
Grabe ka kusog! Oh my God, Lord!
In Jesus' name. Walay nagmumuna. Lingkod, tanan lingkod. Everybody lingkod, sit down. Lingkod, parents, lingkod tanan parents. Parents, lingkod tanan. Lingkod. Kalma lang. Wala pa.
Lord, grabe ka kusog, Lord! Grabe ka kusog!
Because after this one, I allowed and by the power vested on me as school head, no? I will allow you to go home with your parents. But anyways, ayaw sa lakaw. Mag-announce ako. Everybody sit down.